In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly invite your friends to join you on Monopoly Go. Imagine the fun you'll have as you roll the dice together in this exciting digital world. Let's dive right in so you can share this experience with your friends. To start, fire up the game and navigate to the friends icon. Depending on your game version, you might see options like add friends or invite friends. This is your gateway to building your Monopoly Go community. Once you've tapped this icon, look for the option to either invite or share. Selecting this will prompt the game to generate a unique invite link that's tailor-made just for you. This link is key to inviting your pals into the game seamlessly. Now, when your personalized link pops up, tap on the share button. This offers you multiple platforms to send your invite, one of the most popular being Facebook. Facebook is a great choice because it's likely that many of your friends are already there, making it easy to spread the word. You've got options here. Either post the link directly to your Facebook feed so everyone can see it, or if you have specific friends in mind, send it directly to them through Facebook Messenger. Each method has its own benefits. A fresh post can reach a wide audience, while Messenger allows for a more personal touch. When sharing via Facebook, consider adding a custom message to spark interest and excitement. A simple inviting message like, "Join me on Monopoly Go, let's roll together," can make all the difference in getting your friends intrigued and ready to join. Personalizing your message adds a friendly touch that might just persuade more of your friends to click and start playing with you. Once your friends spot your invite and click the link, they'll be guided to install or open the game. The magic moment happens here. Now you'll appear as friends in the game, ready to embark on your Monopoly Go adventure together. Remember, inviting friends isn't just about playing the game, it's about sharing fun experiences and creating new memories. So, go ahead, explore the game's features, and make sure every virtual roll of the dice becomes a shared joy. Happy rolling on Monopoly Go!